This is a boat that came in, it was overheating, and there's his impeller, and you see it's missing about half of it. There are the pieces, all that we could find. There's his impeller housing. He did state to us that he started with it dry before, and you could see it's blued, and the housing got hot enough to melt it, and that's why that metal thing is oblong, because the insert is pivoted around. So we put him on another housing, put another impeller on, and here he goes.